here. Oh, we got John in the house. Mr. John Hoisington. Looking like you're due for a new sticker there, sir. Sick. Saw him run at Irwindale. Okay, don't mess around. Nice house in the house. 56,000 miles on that Integra. Guess what I got in my pocket?
Seen it for a while.
There's some cake over there.
What's that?
There's some cake over there.
Oh, that's the last thing I need. I'm making turkey soup at home though. But cake sounds good. Wait a second. A slow night? You go home that fast?
Yeah.
Man. What's up, brother?
How you doing, man?
Hi, sweetie. Hi. How are you? Oh, there's a beautiful girl.
You're not going to have any room in your luggage by the time you leave here, you know that, right?
It's gonna be packed with contraband.
It's just a couple of shirts for me. You guys watch this on Facebook all the time.
Great
We watch
job,
you,
you too.
it's great.
Oh,
There you go.
But you can't wear it outside of your house. Thank you.
Welcome. All right, because the crowd was low and I cannot give away huge stuff. But anyway, we got some great prizes. We also have $25 to BJ's Brew House, and we have a free dinner at Los Sanchez. So you tell me what you want. The first ticket is for anything on the table.
You better watch it, John.
449 845.
Ready?
Not too bad. There's a big winner. There you go. There you go. What?
Jeff Sanders.
Get in the house.
No, it's
No,
not.
we got Don showing off the.
It's you.
Make Don happy.
And then
It still has that new car
It's so
smell,
nice.
huh?
It's sick. It's so nice.
Revolution.
It's funny
in the
to
house.
actually find something like this. What a rare find.
The neatest thing is touching the chrome, and the chrome is so smooth and not scratched up, eh? It's just
Canada's in the
And the
house.
wraparound back seat.
Rick
Yeah.
McAllister, his wife,
Hey.
right?
Yeah,
Let's hear
buddy.
it for Rick, he made it from Canada tonight.
Woo! Rick's in the house.
Woo!
How fast that thing go?
Man, you just got to the airport, you flew in, and you're already here?
Hey, Diane. Thank
to
you.
meet you.
You're so sweet. You're just awesome, man. Oh, I just love you so much.
Welcome.
There's my wife, Melissa.
Hi, Melissa. How are you?
You're just so awesome.
Melissa and Rick are in the house from Canada.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you for coming. All right. I am going to give him something. He just doesn't know it. What size?
3.
Okay.